Hi, if your loudspeakers also tend to fall off the speaker grills or don't stay in place properly, then I will show you in this video how to fix it quickly and easily, so they never fall off and stay in place like new ones. The first task is to see if your bookshelf or floor standing speakers have the same kind of grill mounts. Then with a flat screwdriver try to carefully pull out the grill socket, but without damaging it, as it is made of a rubber. Try to pull it out with a moving motion until you manage to get it out. Here you can see why the speaker cover falls off. The socket is too loose. This can be easily solved. Take a match, measure how long you need it, and cut it a little shorter than you need it. The idea is that you need something small to insert behind the side of the speaker grill socket to make it tighter. Then push this construction back into the loudspeaker. This will make this socket much tighter. Then put the speaker grill back in place. You can already feel that it needs to be pushed in tighter to be in place. Then do this life hack on the rest of the sockets, where the speaker grill plugs are not holding tight. That's it. Congratulations, you fixed your speakers on the budget. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to post them below this video, but for now, good luck!